Demystifying the Role of a Computer Technician, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are shedding light on the exciting world of computer technicians. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking to learn more about this career path or considering becoming a computer technician yourself, this video is for you. Join us as we explore the responsibilities, skills, qualifications, career prospects, and much more in the realm of computer technicians. 1. Who is a computer technician? A computer technician, also known as a PC technician or IT support technician, is a skilled professional responsible for installing, maintaining, and repairing computer hardware, software, and networks. Computer technicians play a crucial role in ensuring that computer systems operate smoothly, efficiently, and securely in various environments, such as businesses, schools, hospitals, and homes. They are adept at diagnosing technical issues, providing technical support to users, and implementing solutions to solve computer-related problems. 2. Duties and responsibilities. The duties of a computer technician may include installing operating systems, software applications, and hardware components on computers and peripherals. They are responsible for troubleshooting hardware and software issues, performing system upgrades, and conducting regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance. Computer technicians also provide technical support to users, assisting with software installations, network connectivity issues, and data backups. 3. Skills and qualifications. To excel as a computer technician, individuals need a strong foundation in computer hardware, software, operating systems, and networking concepts. Excellent problem-solving skills, attention to detail, and the ability to communicate technical information clearly are essential for success in this field. While a formal education in computer science or information technology is beneficial, many computer technicians acquire skills through hands-on experience, certifications, and continuous learning. 4. Career paths and growth opportunities. The demand for computer technicians is on the rise, driven by the increasing reliance on technology in all aspects of modern life. Computer technicians can find employment in a variety of settings, including IT companies, tech support firms, educational institutions, healthcare facilities, and government agencies. With experience and specialized certifications, computer technicians can advance their careers into roles such as network administrators, systems analysts, IT managers, and cybersecurity specialists. 5. Tips for aspiring computer technicians. If you're considering a career as a computer technician, start by gaining hands-on experience with computer hardware, software, and troubleshooting techniques. Pursue relevant certifications such as CompTIA A+, Network Plus, or Microsoft Certified Professional, MCP, to enhance your skills and credibility in the field. Stay updated on the latest technology trends, participate in online forums and communities, and seek mentorship from experienced professionals to accelerate your career growth. Conclusion. That concludes our in-depth guide to the role of a computer technician. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into this dynamic and rewarding profession. Whether you're aspiring to be a computer technician or simply interested in the world of IT support, we encourage you to explore further and discover the numerous opportunities available in this field. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content on tech careers, industry trends, and practical tips. Thank you for watching.